Chicken 65, I have taken 500 grams of chicken and cut them into cubes. Add salt. Add red chili powder. Garlic paste, half tablespoon. Turmeric. Add chicken masala powder. Little coriander powder. Squeeze 1 lemon. Add 1 whole egg. 2-3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix this well. Add little food color. This is optional. Now this has been mixed well. Now we shall rest this for minimum 3 hours in fridge. And oil for deep frying. So now we shall fry this. So this has been fried. Remove this. So these all are fried and keep this aside. Add of yogurt. Add hot chili ketchup, around 2 tablespoons. Chili garlic sauce, around 1 tablespoon. Little soya sauce. Tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon. Give this a mix. So this has been mixed. Keep this aside. Add oil to a non-stick pan. Sliced onion, green chili, and garlic. Add curry leaves. Add the paste. I'll add the fried chicken pieces. This is done. Now switch off the flame and let's serve. So here the chicken 65 is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.